I'm super excited about the great conjunction between Jupiter and Saturn, and they should be somewhere here. Unfortunately, it's cloudy now, but we're gonna see. Today, Jupiter and Saturn are far too way apart to be captured with my planetary webcam, the ZWO ASI120MC-S color camera, but I chose the DSLR because the DSLR has a much wider field of view and I should be able to capture both of them in one frame, even though a DSLR is not the best suited camera for capturing planets, because what we need is a high frame rate, and normally we need just a very small cropped area of the night sky because the planets are so tiny. But whatever, I wouldn't get them in one field of view with the planetary webcam, so I chose the DSLR anyway. My setup aims to be as portable as it can be because it can rain literally any second from now on. So I detached the laptop and attached the handheld to the mount, and I don't use guiding or anything else. I just attached the DSLR. I want to use it in the movie modus, so maybe it works, maybe not, we're gonna see. And yeah, then to find Jupiter and Saturn, somewhere over there, I just guessworked. I just guessed where they might be, and then I pushed the telescope to left and right, and I accidentally found them. I mean, look at that, it's really beautiful, but why can't the clouds just part for 1 second? The screen of my DSLR is all red and purple because of the glorious sunset we are seeing right now. It's really marvelous, it's beautiful, but it's not what I'm what I'm searching. I'm searching the planets. So please move aside, clouds, please, just a little bit more. And the clouds parted just in time. Look at that. You can actually see Jupiter and Saturn in one field of view. Look at that. There they are.